A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for an elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for numbat. O is for owl. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for upupa. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for xeros. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.